Hi, I got a question for you. What's keeping you from selling and making a move? If you don't mind, give me a comment and let me know what has prevented you from making that decision. Today it's a very crazy market. We've been through a lot of unusual things in the last couple of years, but just like Uber Eats. I'm sure a lot of you've even used WebMD or something similar to it to get to talk to a doctor, and it's amazing that you can just go and take a picture of something and they can tell you what it is and usually write you a prescription, and so you don't even have to go into the doctor's office. Or how about legal advice? A lot of you probably have gone to LegalZoom or something like that. But that's how easy it is to sell your house today, and there's a way of doing it that it keeps you from having to have showings and do any repairs. Also, if you just want the convenience of getting it done quickly and getting a cash offer, you can go to this website. I'm the new agent here in Central Kentucky for www.fullpricehomesale.com. And if you put in my offer code KY02, make sure you put in KY02 and your address, and we can it'll give you information on how the process works, and we can talk about how what options are that you have, and I bet I can make you move. So if you are interested in doing that, my name is Sherry Frazier, and I'm with Keller Williams Greater Lexington, and I post these videos often, and I'm always interested in what you think about the content and if it's helpful to you. And if you wouldn't mind, I'd appreciate it if you'd like my video and make a comment. And also, if you want to like my page, that'd be great. And you can always turn on notifications so you get future videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon. But go to that website, www.fullpricehomesale.com. It's no obligation. Just check it out. There's a lot of good information there.